Sarah Geronimo and SB19 umaaligid number 4 on the Billboard World Digital Sale Chart.
umaaligid.
18 and Popstar Let's Celebrate umaaligid has officially debuted at number 4 Billboard World Digital Song Sales Chart. Sarah Geronimo joins SB19 as the only Filipino artist with multiple entries on the Billboard World Digital Song Sales Chart. Umaaligid marks Sarah Geronimo's first entry on Billboard World Digital Song Sales Chart since Tala in 2020. SB19 earns their fourth entry on Billboard World Digital Song Sales Chart with Umaaligid. This is a powerful testament to Filipino talent shining on the global stage. Thank you all for making this happen.